Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a chart or graph into your PowerPoint presentation, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want to add your chart. Once you've got your slide ready, head over to the Insert tab and click on Chart. You'll be asked to choose a chart type. Let's go with something like a cone chart, then click OK. When the worksheet pops up, it's time to replace the placeholder data with your own. Go ahead and do that, and then just close the worksheet when you're done. Now, let's make your chart look the way you want it. Start by adding or changing the chart title. You can also adjust the style and color by selecting a chart style that fits your presentation. To make sure your chart is easy to read, you'll want to add or update elements like the title, the legend, and the axis titles. Then, we can fine-tune which data points and names are displayed. Just use the chart filters, and you'll see the series and categories pop up in the chart, separated clearly. If you don't want to show the values, simply uncheck the box next to them. It's as simple as that. Next, click on the name option. You'll see two choices, select none and hit apply. You'll notice the change in the chart right away. You can repeat the same steps for the categories, too. And if you want to give your chart a fresh look, you can change its color to fit your style. And that's all there is to it. Inserting a chart or graph into PowerPoint is that easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you learn how to add a chart or graph to your presentation. See you in the next one.